see this complete website right here. This is a fully functional pet store e-commerce site with products, cart and checkout. And the crazy part? I built this in just 10 minutes. No coding, no designing, nothing. I just described it and AI built everything. And not just this. I also created a finance SaaS application with calculator like SIP, EMI, FD and mutual funds, along with login, user accounts and backend data storage. So in this video, I will show you how to build all of this using AI. Now let me quickly introduce you to the tool. The tool is Hostinger Horizons. It's an AI-powered platform where you can build websites, e-commerce stores, and web apps just by describing your idea, only prompts. And AI creates the design, structure, and functionality for you. Also, the backend is inbuilt, so no need to connect Firebase, Supabase, or any other third-party tool. You can edit anything by chatting with AI, and it comes with inbuilt hosting, custom domain, one-click publishing, and security. So your project is ready to launch instantly. Before we start, if you want to try this yourself, just click the first link in the description and it will take you to the Hostinger Horizons. From there, choose your preferred plan. I personally recommend the starter plan, where you got 70 AI credits to build multiple websites and apps. And I also have a special discount for you. If you use my promo code Komal, you will get an instant 10% discount on your plan. So let's go ahead and try it out. Now let's actually build the pet store website from scratch, so you can see how simple this process really is. So here I'm inside Hostinger Horizon dashboard, and the first thing you will notice is how clean and simple this interface is. Right in the center of the screen, there is a prompt box where you can describe what you want to build. Instead of coding or manually designing pages, you simply explain your idea and AI generates everything for you. For this example, I am going to build a pet accessories e-commerce store. So in the prompt box, I type something like this: create a modern e-commerce website for pet store. A website should include homepage, product listing, product detail pages, shopping cart and checkout functionality. Use a friendly design suitable for pet lovers. Once the prompt is ready, I will simply click on send. Now Horizon start generating the website automatically. It analyzes the prompt and creates a layout, design and structure for the entire site. At this point, it asks whether I want to set up everything automatically, including the online store, or build it manually. So I just tell the AI go ahead with the online store integration, and it start working again. Within few moments, the website is ready, and here it is. You can see store name is Possum Store with a clean homepage, navigation menu, and proper hero section. As we scroll, there are product categories like dog toys, pet beds, grooming kits, and feeding bowls, along with pricing and description. There is also a section showing key benefits and complete footer with contact details, and just like a real e-commerce website. And the best part is all of this was generated automatically in just few minutes. Now, if you want to edit anything, just click on edit content and update any section easily. Text, images, or layout. It's very simple. Now let's open products. It takes us a product page where user can see images, description, price, add to cart buttons to process with checkout. So the store is already fully functional from customer side, but the products are not of the pet store. Means it right now it has added the generalized products. I have to add my product listing. But what makes here powerful is Store Manager. From the integration section, you can connect online store and it automatically sets up a dashboard where you can add products, manage orders, track inventory, and create discounts. You can see this. You can add a product by just uploading image, enter the detail like this way, and setting up the price. See this. and I can change all the product and add mine. Also, this is very important point to note. There are 0% transactional fee. So you keep 100% of your profit. It's amazing. From the store manager dashboard, we can also manage customer orders, view analytics, and configure payment settings. For payments, you can connect popular payment gateways so customer can purchase securely. Once everything is set up, the store is ready to go live. The final step is simply clicking on publish button at the top of the screen. Horizon will instantly deploy the website and gives you a live URL where your store is accessible online. You can also connect your own custom domain so your store looks like a real professional e-commerce business. So, in just a few minutes, we have created a fully functional pet store e-commerce website, complete with product page, shopping cart, checkout system, and store manager dashboard where we can manage products and orders. And remember, the entire website was created simply by describing an idea to AI. Now that we have built a complete e-commerce store, let me quickly show you how the same tool can also build a real SaaS application, like a finance calculator I showed earlier. So again, inside Hostinger Horizon, I am simply start with a prompt describing app I want to create. For this example, I asked AI to build a financial calculator application with multiple tools. I simply give a prompt to create this tool with SIP, loan, EMI, fixed deposit, and mutual fund calculation. Then I add sign up and login so users can create account. I also tell it to use the built-in backend to store user data and save calculation history, and include a history page so users can view past results. So with just one prompt, we get a complete SaaS app with users and data. So once I send the prompt, Horizon immediately start generating the application. You can see this, it is working. I am just skipping the waiting part, and now our application is ready. You can see this. This is FinCalc, a complete financial SaaS application. Now at the top, we have a clean navigation with home, features, pricing, login, and sign up. The homepage looks very professional with a clear headline. Smart financial planning starts here. It's good. And call to action to get started. As we scroll, you can see all the calculators like SIP, loan, EMI, fixed deposit, and mutual fund, each explained clearly with proper sections. Below that, there is a features section showing benefits like saving calculations, accessing data anytime, real-time updates, and secure usage, just like a real SaaS product. And at the bottom, we have a complete footer with link, legal pages, branding, and all. Now here comes the main part, the backend. The best thing is Horizon doesn't need any third-party backend like Supabase, Firebase, or anything. It has its own built-in backend system. So user can sign up, log in, perform calculations, save them, and manage their entire profile all inside this application. So let's test it. I click on sign up button and a pop-up opens. Here I have to enter my name, email, I have to create a password and all. I'm just doing it. This is just for demo. I'm just doing it and I will submit. Okay, now as you can see, I'm logged into the app and as the dashboard is opens. Now I use one of the calculator like this mutual fund SIP, and I will perform the calculation. Yes, I'm doing, and it is. After that, it asks me if I want to save it in history or not. So I will just save it. Now, if I scroll down, you can see options like calculation history and account settings. When I open the history page, here, the calculation I just did is already saved there, linked to my account. Now let me show you the account setting. Here you can see complete user details like email, name, account creation date, user ID, and even options like change password, logout, delete account, means everything. So basically, this is the complete SaaS system with user management. And if I show you the backend section, you actually see the data as well. And if I show you the backend section, you actually see the data as well. Here in the top fourth option is data. All data is stored here. You can see this. Here, test data and live data is there. Also, the separate sections for users and calculations has been created. You can view all registered users with their details and also see all the calculations stored with proper IDs. So everything, authentication, database and user data is handled inside Horizon itself. So no external setup, no integration, nothing complicated. This is a complete SaaS application built entirely with AI. And one more thing, if you want to monetize this app, you can also add Google AdSense. So I will just ask Horizon, I want to add Google AdSense to this application. And first, you have to register yourself and your app with Google. Then you just give this prompt to Horizon and it will create particular spacing and ad placement here. It will automatically start setting it up, placing ads in sections like sidebar and content areas without disturbing the user experience. You just need to connect your AdSense account and add the verification code once and everything will be start working. So now this is not just an app, it can actually generate revenue for you as well. So we have completely created application with front-end interface, back-end database and user authentication system. And just like with the e-commerce store, once everything is ready, I can click on publish and the app goes live instantly with a shareable URL. So in just a few minutes, we have built a fully functional finance as web application without writing any code. If you want to try this, check out Hosting Your Horizon using this link in the description. You can use my code as I have described it earlier, Komal, to get 10% off on your plan. Try it out, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.